Good morning and welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see Unit 2, Part 3. The title of the prose is That Sunday Morning. Children, this is the last part of this prose. Now, here we will end the story of Savita, what she experienced in her life. I sat up with a groan and saw that the cavalry horses were still out of control. Some of them were running like a mad in circles, while their riders tried to bring them under control. Two horses were nowhere to be seen, and one horse threw its rider right in front of my eyes. The poor man landed in the ditch just next to the cow. The cow, thinking this was another attack, bellowed loudly and, lowering its head at the unfortunate man. The poor fellow scrambled out of the ditch, tearing his pants at rather an awkward place. Realizing this, he sat down on the road with a thumb and would not get up. I saw my brother approaching with my bike in tow, coming up to me with a grin on his face. I felt like hitting him. So, dear children, this is what the first paragraph is telling. Now, let us see what Savita is trying to tell us. Her experience of falling on the cow and falling down on the pit, that is the ditch. So I sat down, that is Savita, with a groan. Groan means an utterance expressing pain. She was expressing lot of pain because first and foremost she was frightened when she fell on the cow, and now the cow is inside the ditch. So she also will be. And saw the cavalry horses were out of control. And from that cavalry horse, one man also fell inside and his pant was torn. Now when you come to know, awkward place means it is not a good place to speak on. Okay. So the awkward place was torn and he fast got up and went and sat on the road. Then she saw her brother coming with her bike in tow, coming up to me with a grin in his face, on his face with a grin. Means he saw his sister fallen there on the cow. When you come to know also someone is fallen on the cow, you will laugh. No? I felt like hitting him. She was with the angry and why my brother is laughing like this. So she wanted to hit him. Children, meaning of bellowed is the cry of a cow. Scrambled means to move or climb hurriedly. Awkward means sensitive. You looked such a sight on top of that cow, he said and started laughing. Then he probably realized that I might have been hurt and asked, "Are you all right?" "Are you all right?" "Of course I am," I said heartily and got up at once. She didn't want to show that she is got hurt and so on. So fast she got up. Heartily means arrogantly she got up. Nothing on earth would have made me admit to him how frightened and shaken I was. Just then, my brother spotted one of the horse riders coming towards us with a thunderous scowl on his face. She did not wanted to show that she was frightened and shaken. Then they saw that the horse rider coming towards with us a thunderous scowl on his face, a threatening look. Scowl on his face is a threatening look. He was coming towards them. Behind him was the man to whom, in all probability, the cow belonged. So, behind him, this man was coming. My brother gave them an uneasy glance and said, I think it would be nice if we moved quickly from here. I looked round and saw that it both of us did not move fast enough. We would be called in for a lot of explanation. With one accord, we got into our bikes and beat a hasty retreat. The morning had already been rather eventful, and we did not want to add another unpleasant episode to it. So, fast they got up and they moved on. Retreat means to move away fastly, otherwise, they can say something. In the morning, they didn't want it to make a day unpleasant. No, otherwise, when all this situation has taken place and the people says something, it will be unpleasant to them. So they didn't want to create another episode in their life.